Patch Customer Success here. In this video, I want to walk through how you can utilize segments within our automations module. Clicking on automations on the left-hand side of the screen, I've begun creating a new automation, and I want to show you the capabilities and the ability to use segments within filter blocks and select context blocks. For this example, I'm going to pull select context block on the screen, and this is where you can add conditions and rules to either build segments, segment your database, select an existing segment, or create a new. You have the ability to select a pre-existing segment that you've already created in your account. This is a huge time saver where it allows you to, again, filter by your segments, where you can select one of your favorite segments in this particular automation, or it also allows you to view your segments where you can select a pre-existing segment. You can view the rule filters, add on to things. It's just a huge time saver as segments are carried across the entire platform, from the account settings to the context module to automations to blasts, and even in the field editor within other modules, forms, kiosk, things of that nature. Even if I wanted to add my own conditions here, maybe I want to choose all those customers who have a last check-in time in the most recent 90 days. I can add my rule here. This would give me all my customers who have checked in the most recent 90 days. And I can even save this new rule as a segment. And I can just name this last check-in time for simplicity and click Save and Close. Your last check-in time segment was saved. That would allow me to use this segment at a later date, view it in a contact section, utilize it in a blast, or come back and utilize it again in an automation down the line. So within the select context block, you have the ability to create new segments, select existing segments, and even edit those segments that you've already chose and put together. So it's a very slick user interface and certainly will serve as a time saver as you look to build automations and target your database accordingly.